Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Sunday, June 14th, 2020, and this is my newest segment of Markets A Look Ahead, and we have some stuff to talk about. Uh, you're going to laugh at some of it because it's just frankly too stupid. So what's going on right now? Well, if you follow me on Twitter or Facebook, I've posted links to articles being floated out regarding positive news on the U.S.-China trade deal. It's going well again, and China's going to honor their part of the bargain. Oh, really? I don't think so. Not only do I not think so, but we all knew this was going to happen. After what happened last week, that big, humongous sell-off, well, they had to float something out here. But it's a joke, and the market will probably buy it. I know you're not buying it. It's beyond belief how stupid they actually think we are. No. I think we all get it here. It's fake. It's propaganda, and that's all it is. There's nothing. There never was a deal. There's not going to be a deal. There's nothing going well right now. All this is a mechanism, at least to attempt to prop stocks up. All right, so I think you got it. That's number one. Number two, on Friday, I asked you to go to my website, traderschoice.net, and have a look at the stock screener. I have a stock screener there that picks stocks for you. It has been over the top accurate. Now, I asked you to find a common thread with the top 5 or 6 picks on that stock screener. A lot of you got it right. Let's cover that real quick and why it's important. Well, if you were to go there right now, traderschoice.net, there's a link down here, you will see that the top 5 picks are all tech stocks. Not only are they tech stocks, most of them are mega caps. So what does this tell us as traders? Well, when you see the tech sector, especially these large caps, getting bid higher, it tends to lift the entire market. You understand? So this is obviously stock market positive. On top of the fake propaganda stories, they're starting to float out. Wait a minute. Let's all do a shocked face. Are you ready? Yeah, it's shocking. It really is. You gotta laugh. We know what they're gonna do, and we know when they're gonna do it. It's laughable. All right. So 2 things right now positive for this market coming off of that big sell-off, and then we had a rebound on Friday, like 477 points. More importantly, the 10-year yield came up. Okay, so that is also stock market positive. The market had every reason, if it wanted to continue to sell off. It didn't. The 10-year yield could have gone lower. The fear trade, cash moving into the debt market suppresses that rate there, but it didn't happen. So you got cash waiting to make its way into the equity market. You got fake propaganda stories on the U.S.-China trade deal. It's going well again. Duh! No, really, you can't make this stuff up. It's impossible. And again, if you went to my website, traderschoice.net, you will see mega cap tech stocks are strong buys right now. If you want to see specifically what these are, just go to my lovely website. It's all free, all for you. It's not for me, it's for you. Okay, so let's talk about what this means in the grander picture. If the market buys the fact that they're now floating out these stories, well, that's going to be positive for crude oil. If crude oil goes up, well, what's that going to do? Energy goes up, financials go up, the stock market goes up. Do you see the game? I know you got it. It's just too in our face. And we have to laugh. We really do. So what does this mean for other assets? Okay. Well, like I said, crude oil probably going to get a boost here on the back of the fake stories. Metals will more than likely fall under pressure here. Cryptocurrencies could fall under pressure here. Again, as the risk on trade continues. Remember what Yellowstain says. He has a large, powerful tool Yeah, he actually did say that. He said the Federal Reserve has large, powerful tools, and they're going to use that tool to prop up the market. Wow. Yeah, what a shocker there too, huh? All right, so in summary here, markets a look ahead. We got the propaganda ministry floating out the fake news. It's 100% fake. It's so fake that it's just too much, okay? But again, we knew it was going to happen from weeks ago. I said, watch what they're going to do. They're going to float out some stories like this when they need it. Looks like they need it now. That's definitely stock market positive. And they're probably going to push it harder. Who knows? Maybe we'll hear from the president himself. He'll get another beautiful letter. He already got one. Didn't work. Probably needs several more beautiful letters before we get a real deal. You think we're going to get a real deal? You know, I don't think so. They might do another photo op. That would be interesting because that would probably be very positive for the market. But we'll see again how that plays out moving forward. But again, the game is very simple. Massive effort is going to go into repropping up this market. That's my perspective, and I have been so accurate, I frankly do scare myself from time to time. And anyway, with regard to the other assets, again, when the game becomes risk on, you see other assets suffer. I think that is the most likely scenario. So, in summary, this week could prove to be a big one to the upside for this market. Metals have a potential to get hit here. Cryptocurrencies, I'm more or less neutral for this week, but I think they could also fall under pressure this week. But this presents opportunity, at least in the metals department. With regard to cryptocurrencies, I've told all of you how I want to play these things. With regard to Bitcoin specifically, I want to see it above 10,000, pull back to 10 and hold that position. That's a buying point in my view because I still believe cryptocurrencies are going much, much higher from where we are today. So, eyes on crude oil, eyes on the fake propaganda stories, and you and I, we're going to have fun. We're going to have a good week. I'm looking very forward to it. This guy right here sincerely loves you from the heart. Please enjoy the rest of your weekend, whatever's left of it. We got a whole day here. It's only 7:27 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Sunday here in Las Vegas, and I'm going to go play with my Camaro right now. That's my current plan. See you tomorrow.